Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Meghu Talks. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add multiple channels on your YouTube app. So let's start. So guys, first go to your YouTube app and then tap to the channel icon which is on the top right. And then tap to the downward arrow which is beside your channel name. Now you can see there is a plus icon on the top right. Go to that and your Google gets open. After opening your Google, then enter your email address and then your password to which your YouTube channel belongs. Then tap to yes, I am in, which is in the bottom right. And then again tap yes, I agree in the bottom right again. Now you can see your channel is added to your YouTube app. Open your channel and it's all done. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and tell me how my video was in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.